Welcome to Toshiba Quality. I just got a laptop back that had a cracked LCD. They said they replaced the LCD. They said that they tested it and that it worked just absolutely fine. You'll notice that the lights are on. I'm going to reach over here, power it off. Power it off. Let it stand for a few moments, and let's power it on and see what happens. Powering it back on. CD-ROM is whirring away. CD-ROM is still whirring away. And CD-ROM has settled down. It is obviously still working on two lights. However, my LCD has not shown a glimmer of anything. Thank you, Toshiba, for such quality service.